Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka National President ka BJP Mahila Morcha ka Vaniyathi Srinivasan kalaong makalong ka Donkam man Pynmih Shibun ki Kyrtong Longkmie ban Ïakhun ha ka Ilekshon arhajar arpulai haba kren shikilar pathai khubor ka Vaniyathi Srinivasan kalaong makajingwan jong ka shanong ba shalong ka dena ka banta Vaniyathir bat kinong ketkam ka Mahila Morcha ban kringi ki kanthai bat ki Longkmie sha ka BJP khnang bakin la ban train na ka banta ka jingmentoy ki Longyeng hapo ka Jala Meghalaya Kavaniyathi kalaong baka jingrung ki kanthai bat ki Longkmie sha ka BJP kanwan ra ya Shibun ki jingmentoy namar ki Longkmie ki don ka bor banwan ra jingkala ha ke imlang salang Kavaniyathi ka kantui ki nongket kam jo ka Mahila Morcha ka Jala Meghalaya ban ya wer lami ki kanthai bat Longkmie sha BJP bat ban pasnok thu ki halor ki scheme ka sarkar pedeng kham tam ki tu ki bala mangkarpang na ka banta ka jongki Habakali hadu kat nungut ki Kyrtong Longkmie kaseng BJP Meghalaya kan penyeng ha ka Ilekshon arhajar arpulai nakaliang ka Vaniyathi Srinivasan kalaong ba naka Mahila Morcha kadang bishar bat wat brio bat ya ka ni ka rai an sa shemhi da ka Mahila Morcha Meghalaya
I have come here for my organizational visit. After becoming national president of Bharatiya Janata Party's Mahila Morcha, this is my first visit to the state of Meghalaya. How Mahila Morcha is functioning in Meghalaya and what is their issues and how the training to be important to the Karyakartas or the office bearers and how for coming assembly election Mahila Morcha could help the state unit to get more MLAs in the state and all these things have been discussed today in our office bearers meeting. Our state team members and district presidents and mandal presidents all were present today and our state president Mr. Mauriji had come and Mr. Hek, our MLA, also attended the event. Today we have discussed and how we can bring more women into the party and how we can develop them as leaders to serve for the people. And here some of the Mahila Morcha office bearers, they have expressed their hope that as a nationalist political party is serving better to the people, even though our backgrounds or the languages or the diversity in respect of the region or the language or the religion, but as an Indian, that oneness has to be the character of the unity, that the sense of the belongingness has to be imported in the minds of the people. And our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is giving many schemes, particularly for the empowerment of women, whether it is a construction of the free gas connections under the houses being constructed under the Awas Yojana, it is being registered in the name of the women, and whatever the scheme that he is introducing in the country, he is giving the top priority to the women empowerment. But this message has to be taken to the houses of the state of Meghalaya, and each and every house, how Honorable Prime Minister is giving the schemes and how a transparent and a honest government is being run in the center. And in the last 8 years, how Modi ji has uplifted the life of the women and how he has transformed the crores of women's life by way of giving them the support, whether it is finance support or the social status. And we have also tell them that the Honorable President is a tribal woman. First time the BJP has given the opportunity to a tribal woman, and first time the 11 women ministers are in the ministry, and the more number of women are being done their good job as a governor, and they are doing a good job. And here in the coming election also, we are requesting the state unit to give more number of seats to the women candidates, but for which we have to develop the women candidates, and not only for the namesake the women candidates should be there. and really they should be the performers, and for which how we can help our office bearer. There are a lot of aspiring candidates also in Mahila Morcha team. We are helping them how to reach out to the people, how to carry out the good works of the state government as well as the central government. And apart from that, we are having the plan of organizing on big women conference in the state in view of the election, and we have also requested our state office bearer to take care of a particular area, whether it is a mandal or a district, and to ensure that all the booth level Karyakartas, Mahila Karyakartas has to be made in charges of a page pramukh, so that our election work would be very easy to reach out to the people.